Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting. We're going to explore a highly concrete, totally no-nonsense blueprint on how a real AI agency was built completely from scratch and scaled up in just 90 days. We're talking exact steps, the specific tools used, and the actual real-world challenges of building an AI automation business. $10,412. That is the exact monthly recurring revenue this agency hit in their first 90 days. But you know what's truly fascinating? It's how it started. It all began with 41 cold emails and just a single reply. Yep, one reply. But they took that single response and converted it into a $2,000 a month retainer client. Okay, let's dive right into this because the creator explicitly states something we really need to keep in mind. I'm giving you the blueprint, not the theory. This is a tactical masterclass. This isn't one of those vague get-rich-with-AI videos where they just tell you to learn Python or build complex apps from scratch. No way. This is entirely about connecting existing, easy-to-use AI tools to solve incredibly painful problems for small businesses. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll cover the real AI agency, finding a profitable niche, building the AI workflow, pricing for recovered revenue, and finally, scaling to 10,000. All right, kicking things off with sections 1 and 2, the real AI agency and finding a profitable niche. The biggest mistake amateurs make here is trying to sell automation as this grand, futuristic concept. Business owners don't care about concepts. They just want fewer headaches. Now, what's really interesting about pinpointing these expensive problems is how specific you have to get. Real estate agents are missing after-hours leads. Law firms are completely ignoring intake forms. Let's look at the dental niche, for example. Busy front desks miss daytime calls all the time, and every single missed call, well, that's a potential lost patient, and a lost patient is worth thousands of dollars over a lifetime. That's a massive, expensive problem. To actually capitalize on this, the advice from the blueprint is crystal clear. Pick one niche. Literally, just one, not 5. If you want to succeed, you absolutely must become the go-to AI person for dental offices, rather than some forgettable generalist offering random tech services. It's exactly what allows you to command high rates. Moving right along to section 3, building the AI workflow. Let's transition from high-level strategy to the actual execution, and look at the exact screen-by-screen tool stack used to solve this missed call problem. This workflow is the beating heart of the whole agency. Imagine a patient calls a dental office, but the front desk is just completely swapped. Step 1, Twilio steps in. After 4 rings, it automatically shoots a text to the caller. Step 2, that text connects directly to a conversational AI built-in voice flow, which is trained on the practice's specific info to answer FAQs instantly. Step 3, if the patient wants to book, Make.com checks the Google Calendar and sends a booking link. And finally, step 4. Airtable logs the whole interaction. It's this beautiful, completely automated 24/7 safety net. No human intervention required. Now, setting up that system the very first time took about 11 hours of hard work. But here is the absolute game changer with this model. Once you've built a blueprint, redeploying it for a brand new client only takes about 3 hours. You're reusing roughly 80% of the exact same system, so your hourly earning potential just goes through the roof. But hey, let's practice some strategic transparency here. It is rarely flawless on day 1. The first version they deployed actually had a pretty nasty bug. The AI confidently quoted the wrong office hours to patients all weekend long. And because it wasn't properly tested outside normal business hours, it literally took 2 full days to catch. It's a slightly painful but absolutely critical lesson. You have got to test your systems at odd hours before your clients are the ones finding the flaws. All right, section 4, pricing for recovered revenue. Let's talk about the money. The key mindset shift you need to make here is that you aren't just selling software connections. You're selling a guaranteed system for recovered revenue. Think about it. A business owner is totally used to paying $2,000 to $3,000 every month for a part-time receptionist. When you come in and present a one-time setup fee plus a $500 monthly management fee, it doesn't even look like an expense. Compared to hiring a human, a 24/7 AI system looks like an absolute steal. And here is where the math gets really fun. So the crucial point is, while the client is thrilled to pay $500 a month for all this value, your actual overhead is shockingly low. The tool costs, Twilio is maybe $20, VoiceFlow is $50, Make.com is $9. The whole shebang totals under $80 a month per client. That leaves you with jaw-dropping profit margins on a system that practically runs itself. Of course, as your experience grows, your pricing evolves. The Blueprint recommends starting off with a $1,500 setup fee and that $500 monthly retainer. But by the time they hit client number 4, the agency confidently raised their setup fee to $2,500. Why? Because they had gathered real case studies showing actual recovered revenue. Having that tangible proof completely wipes out a client's price resistance. Which brings us to our final phase, Section 5, scaling to $10,000. Hitting that $10,000 a month milestone doesn't mean you need dozens and dozens of clients. Actually, just 6 clients on that $500 retainer plus your regular new setup fees gets you right there. It all comes down to how you reach out. Amateur outreach? That's just blasting out generic emails to hundreds of businesses that immediately get ignored. Professional outreach is highly targeted. It's sending a personalized email referencing something ultra-specific, like, say, a bad Google review complaining about their phone wait times. It proves you're paying attention, and it builds immediate trust. And this timeline brilliantly illustrates the gritty reality of building this business. On day 1, 41 emails yielded exactly 1 reply. By week 3, the creator almost threw in the towel and quit. Through months 1 and 2, they sent over 200 cold emails with absolutely zero momentum and almost zero profit. If you expect this to work overnight, you're gonna fail. It wasn't until month 4 that the grind paid off. Client referrals kicked in, and the growth really started to compound. So there we have it. We've covered the strategy, the exact tool stack, how to price your services, and the undeniable persistence you need to make it happen. You now have the complete blueprint. The only thing left is for you to take focused action. So I'll leave you with this. Which niche will you solve an expensive problem for today?